Qualcomm has announced the new Snapdragon 888 Plus 5G SoC for flagship smartphones at the Mobile World Congress 2021. The new iteration of Qualcomm's fastest mobile offering brings a faster 3 GHz ARM Cortex-X1 performance core and an improved AI processor that can deliver 32 tera operations per second as opposed to 26 on the Snapdragon 888. Representatives from Asus, Motorola, Xiaomi and Vivo have already confirmed that they are planning to release phones with the Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC. Upcoming flagship smartphones from other brands can also be expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus. Encore Games' Indian-made action game 4G has launched its multiplayer component in early access beta. The Team Deathmatch mode will allow teams of 5 to compete against each other and is available in early access beta on the Google Play Store. There are a limited number of slots available. 4G launched earlier this year with a campaign mode featuring Indian soldiers in the Galwan Valley. Samsung is all set to host its virtual event at the Mobile World Congress 2021 at 10:45 p.m. IST. The company has released a teaser for the event which features a smartwatch and a foldable phone. Samsung is expected to launch its next generation of Galaxy watches at the event. The watches will ditch Samsung's Tizen OS for the new Wear OS made in collaboration with Google. The Galaxy Watch 4 could feature a bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor for monitoring body composition. Lenovo has launched the Yoga Tab 13 Android tablet. The tablet features a 13-inch 2160 by 1350 resolution LTPS LCD display, which can act as an external display using the included micro HDMI port. It is powered by the Snapdragon 870 SoC, along with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. Lenovo has packed in a 10,200 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. The tablet includes a single 8-megapixel camera on the front and comes with a kickstand that can also act as a handle. The Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 is priced starting at around Rs 71,000 in Europe. No plans for availability or pricing in India have been announced yet. Lenovo has launched the Yoga Tab 11 Android tablet. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G90T SoC, along with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, the tablet features an 11-inch 2000 by 1200 resolution LCD display. Lenovo has packed in a 7500 mAh battery with 20-watt fast charging support. For audio, it includes 4 JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The Lenovo Yoga Tab 11 is priced starting at around Rs 31,000 in Europe for the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage variant. The Samsung Galaxy M32 smartphone has gone on sale in India. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 SoC, the phone features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It comes with up to 6 GB RAM and up to 128 GB storage. In terms of optics, it sports a 64-megapixel quad-rear camera setup and a 20-megapixel front camera. Samsung has packed in a 6000 mAh battery with a 15-watt charger in the box. The Samsung Galaxy M32 pricing begins at Rs 14,999 for the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage variant. The phone is available from Amazon, Samsung Shop and all retail channels. Xiaomi's Mi 11 Lite smartphone has gone on sale in India. Powered by the Snapdragon 732G SoC, the phone features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It comes with up to 8 GB RAM and up to 128 GB storage. In terms of optics, it offers a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup along with a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi has packed in a 4250 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. The Mi 11 Lite is priced starting at Rs 21,999 for the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage version. Vivo has launched a new variant of the Vivo Y51A, a phone launched earlier this year in January. The phone is now available in a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage model as opposed to the 8 GB RAM model launched earlier. The new variant is available at a reduced price of Rs 16,990. The Vivo Y51A is powered by the Snapdragon 662 SoC and offers a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display along with a 48-megapixel triple rear camera setup.